Hey friends, this is Adrika Bhadauria from Extra Coding YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video we're gonna learn how to add scroll bar in Tkinter. As we all know that scroll bar is the main concept, we're gonna learn that only today. So without any further ado, let's start the session. Okay, so as usual, first we will import Tkinter as tk. Okay guys, we will make a window here. Here we will write window dot main loop. Okay, so to make a scroll bar we need a widget, right? So here let's make one text box. Okay, so here text equals to tk dot text. Here we will write window, and here we will write text dot pack. Fill equals to both. It will fill both the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so for making a scroll bar, what we have to do, we have to write first, let's make a variable. So let's make s bar equals to tk dot scroll bar. Okay, here we will write window and s bar dot pack. Bar dot pack, and we will give it a side. Side will be left, and here we will write fill equals to y. It will fill y-axis. Okay, here now in text where we made our text box, we will write y scroll command equals to s bar dot set. Okay, now last but not least, we will write here s bar dot config. Here we will write command equals to text dot y view. Okay, so what have we done now? So what are we doing here now? We have made a variable s bar, and in that we have stored the scroll bar, tk dot scroll bar. Scroll bar is also an attribute of Tkinter. So here we have written window. It will be attached to window and it will fill y. As you can see, this scroll bar is filling the y-axis, right? Now we have made one text box, tk.text window. We have written our text box will also be attached to window, and here we have written y scroll command equals to s bar dot set. So our S bar, or we can say scroll bar, will get set on the text widget. Okay, now we have written text.pack fill both. It will fill both the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so here we have written sbar.config command equals to text.yview. We have given sbar, or we can say scroll bar, a command that is text.yview. Okay, so it will help us to see the y view of the text box. Let's run our program now. Oh, sorry guys, here in Tkinter it was a mistake. It should be right. Yeah, now it's okay. Now, if we will write anything in it, see, as you can see, only the panel, the scroll bar panel is visible. The scroll bar isn't visible. So when we will come down, as you can see, the scroll bar is now visible and it's working properly. Okay, you can write anything in it. Okay, so hope you guys understood the concept of scroll bar, how to add it. See you soon in my next video guys. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon to get the latest updates of my video on time. See you soon in my next video guys. Bye bye.